In this video, we'll explore how Braintrust works, from setting up your profile to discovering key features like job searching and community engagement. Join us as we navigate through onboarding, core features, and advanced flows. Let's begin by exploring onboarding talent. Start on the dashboard and click the profile avatar. Next, select Set Work Availability from the dropdown. A modal appears. Toggle I'm looking for work on. Then, select Employee Roles to specify job types. After that, set your start time. Moving on, choose 8 a.m. from the list. Next, click Save My Availability. Back on the dashboard, a success notification appears. Click the profile avatar again. A green status indicates looking for work. Finally, confirm job types in the popover. Moving on to completing profile. On the dashboard, click the Complete Profile link. Enter location and personal details. Click Save and Continue. Select your professional role. Choose the design role. Increase your years of experience to 1. Click Save and Continue. Pick multiple skills including user research. Mark a top skill by clicking the star icon. Click Save and Continue. In the work history, type your job title. Enter the company name. Check the I currently work here box. Enter the job description. Click Save and Continue. Your profile is now complete. Click Browse Jobs to get started. Up next, let's discover how Home Talent works. Explore your Braintrust dashboard for quick actions and new matches. Next, view job applications and community help. Then, engage with career tips and spaces. After that, see community replies and spaces. Moving on, find inspiration from top talent. Click Refer and Earn to share with others. Finally, browse Braintrust news and articles. Right next, let's check out Home Employer. Click My Jobs to create your first job. Next, manage or create a new job. In the next section, we'll explore how Why Braintrust works. We're on the website. Click the Get Matched to Talent button. Next, click How it works. Finally, check key metrics and learn more. Right next, let's check out how it works. We're on the website. Click for Talent. Next, scroll down. Then, see a testimonial. After that, find in-demand roles. Moving on, explore payment options and click Learn More. The next feature we'll cover is Solutions. We're on the website. Click the For Companies dropdown. Next, pick the Solutions link. Then explore the Find, Hire, and Manage section. After that, check out Efficient Hiring Solutions. Moving on, see quick and easy job postings with AI. Next is How It Works with 3 steps. Then, learn what makes Braintrust talent different. After that, view powerful partners in one platform. Finally, click Hire Top Talent to begin. After this, let's walk through clients. We start with a selection of customer case studies. Then, we go to Pacific Life's overview. Next, we see the business challenge they faced. After that, a customer quote introduces their obstacles. Then, we dive deeper into the specific obstacles. Moving on, we explore the solution and the talent involved. Then, the hiring results with efficiency gains are highlighted. After that, key performance metrics show success. Finally, the page ends with a call to action to hire talent. Following this, we'll move on to Professional Network. We're on the website. Click the For Talent dropdown. Pick Professional Network. Scroll down the page, scroll down further, click the Join Professional Network button. Enter your details to create an account. Following this, we'll move on to Community. We're on the website. Next, explore a global map of talent distribution. Then, see the talent percentages in detail. After that, meet our diverse community members. Moving on, discover more profiles from around the globe. Next, find free courses at Braintrust Academy. Then, join community events like roundtables. Finally, explore more connection options and click Sign Up to join. Now, let's explore the next topic, Network Dashboard. We're on the website. Click the Network Dashboard link. Next, view the total dollars earned by the community. Then, see the growth chart. After that, learn how fees fund growth. Moving on, explore token supply and project metrics. Next, view community metrics and market rates. Finally, explore community spaces to join. Following this, we'll move on to BTRST. We're on the website. Click the BTRST link. Next, click Read the White Paper. Then, click the Wallet History tab. After that, access token resources by clicking here. Finally, watch the video or expand the FAQ. After this, let's walk through searching Braintrust. Start on the main dashboard. Next, click the search bar. Then, type in the search field. After that, view the search results. Following this, we'll move on to Browse Talent. Browse Talent and search for UI designers. Up next, filtering talents. Start by searching for a UI designer. Apply a role filter to narrow your search. Select skills from the drop-down. Type in the skills search to refine further. Choose interface design and other relevant skills. Apply the selected skills to see fewer profiles. Next, filter by location. Expand the drop-down to select continents. Choose Asia and Europe. Apply the location filter to narrow down results. Click the availability filter button. Toggle currently looking for work. Add specific availability options. Apply the filter to find the final match. Joe Barton meets all criteria for your needs. Moving on to saving a search. Save your search by clicking the Save button. Next, name your search and save it. Then, see your saved search confirmed. Finally, remove the filter and view saved searches. Let's check out About Profile. View the designer's profile summary. Next, explore the complete bio in detail. Now, let's try sharing a profile. On the Profile page, click Share Profile. Next, share with your team member, then confirm by clicking Share Profile. After that, a success message confirms your action. Following this, we'll move on to My Profile. Access the profile page and click Add Bio. Next, enter your headline and bio in the fields provided. Then, click Save to update your profile. After that, explore other profile sections or start searching for jobs. Now let's look at adding a service. On your profile, click the Resume tab. Scroll to I help the community with, and click Add Services. Choose a category, like Portfolio plus Resume Help. Click Next. Enter a description and price. Click Save. View the confirmation, then close. See the new service in your profile. Next, let's see how reordering projects works. Add a project. Next, reorder projects. Then, drag the project to the top. Finally, the project list is reordered. Next, let's see how role works. Edit your role on Braintrust. Then, manage your role settings in the modal. Up next, uploading header and avatar. On the profile page, click the edit icon. Next, click the Browse Your Files link. Then, wait for the upload to progress. After that, continue waiting for the upload. Next, click the upload icon to proceed to cropping. Then click the crop button. Finally, see your new profile picture applied. Right next, let's check out settings. Start in Settings under Account. Scroll to the Language section. Add a language by selecting Primary Language and Proficiency level. Choose a language and proficiency, then add another. Finally, verify both languages are added. Moving on to setting up two-factor authentication. On the Settings page, click the Privacy and Security tab. Scroll down to enable two-factor authentication. Enter your current password. Then, input the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app. Click the Enable button. Review your backup codes and click Continue. Finally, see that two-factor authentication is now enabled. Up next, deleting an account. On the Settings page, click the Account tab. Scroll to the Delete My Account section. Click the Delete Account button. A banner instructs to check your email. Click the Delete Account button to confirm. Finally, you're logged out on the Sign-In page. In the next section, we'll explore how Wallet works. Click the Buy button to start. Next, a wallet is being created. Then, connect with Coinbase to complete your purchase. Following this, we'll move on to Refer and Earn. On the Refer and Earn page, click Copy Link. Then, the referral link is copied. Following this, we'll move on to Refer and Earn Marketing. We're on the website. Click Refer and Earn. Next, enter your LinkedIn profile. Then, click Submit. After that, get your personalized referral link. Moving on, join the Connector program. Finally, explore the FAQ section. Next up, let's take a closer look at creating a job. Select Generate Job using AI. Enter a brief job overview. Click Generate with AI. Wait for the job description to load. Click Set up new job. Click Review and Post. The job is posted with matched talent ready to invite. Here's how creating a job upload works. Start by clicking to upload a job description. Next, wait for the upload to complete. Then select the job type as contractor. After that, choose a category for the job. Moving on, review the job draft and click Review and Post. Finally, invite the first matched candidate. Now let's look at editing job description. Paste content into the job description field. Highlight the text. Select Heading 2 from the dropdown. Confirm the selection. Format the text as a heading. Click the emoji icon. Search for the rocket emoji. Choose the rocket emoji. See the emoji added next to the heading. Now, let's try setting length of job and working hours. Enter job details to specify length and hours. Next, select the start date. Then, choose the end date. After that, adjust weekly hours using the slider. Moving on, finalize job settings or review and post. Next, let's see how setting location and time zone works. Set the talent location by clicking the settings icon. Next, open the requirements modal. Then pick a region from the Select Location dropdown. After that, verify your selections and close the dropdown. Moving on, focus on talent working hours. Then choose a time zone from the dropdown. After that, save changes and exit the modal. Finally, continue with the job draft form. Next, let's see how adding an application question works. Add a second application question in the visibility section. Next, activate the input field. Then, see the new question added to the list. After that, review and post the job. Now let's look at reviewing job. Return to the main job editor. An error appears. The skills field needs filling. Add skills and set user experience as top skill. Confirm user experience is top. Review details ready to post. Next, let's see how inviting a teammate works. Click Add Team Members. Enter your email. Click the Invite button. Click Add to Job. Job subscribers have been updated. Following this, we'll move on to Jobs Talent. See a job posting for a UI/UX designer and click Apply. Start the application form by selecting your hourly rate. Type your answer in the provided field. Confirm your time zone requirements. Move down to input your start date and calendar URL. Enter the URL for your calendar. Upload your resume file. Wait for the resume to upload. Choose to store your resume on your profile. Check the option and upload an additional file. Complete the application and click Send. Confirm application sent and proceed to video screening. Moving on to saving a job. Save a UI/UX designer job by clicking the Save icon. Then dismiss the informational modal. After that, the job is saved. Consider applying. Next, let's see how sharing a job works. Find a UI/UX designer job on Braintrust. Next, share the referral link via email, LinkedIn, or X. Then, copy the URL successfully. Moving on to company profile. See design jobs with PayPal. Next, explore PayPal's company profile. Then, browse PayPal's open job listings. Now let's try searching jobs. Filter jobs by role. Next, view results for UI/UX designer. Following this, we'll move on to My Talent. Click My Talent. Then post a job or browse talent to start building. Now let's explore the next topic, spaces. Explore community posts. Next, view the member list. Then continue to the next page. Up next, turning off notification. On the main page, click the More Options icon. Next, select Turn Off Notifications. Finally, notifications are off with confirmation. Here's how About Space works. Explore the freelancing community's discussion board. Next, view the About section for rules. Finally, check all rules before returning to discussions. Now let's try leaving a space. Click to leave the freelancing space. Next, rejoin or explore other options. Next, let's see how inviting a user works. We're on the main page for the freelancing space. Next, open the invite modal. Then, enter a name in the Add People field. After that, select a user to invite. Finally, a confirmation shows the invite was sent. Right next, let's check out direct messages. In the chat with Jane Doe, click Send to send your message. Next, attach files by clicking the file icon. Then, upload an image by clicking the upload area. After that, add a calendar link by clicking the link icon. Enter your calendar URL and click Continue. Moving on, click Send to send everything. Finally, see the sent message with attachments. Up next, reporting a message. Click the More Options icon in the chat header. Next, click the More Options icon on the message. Then, click the Report Message button. After that, select the Spam Radio button. Next, click into the explanation text area. Then, click the Submit Report button. Finally, a confirmation and system message appear. Moving forward, let's see how notifications is done. On the dashboard, click the notifications icon, then view recent activity in the panel. Now let's explore the next topic, My Work. On the dashboard, accept Jane Doe's help offer. Next, a chat with Jane opens, showing offer details. Then, scroll to see Jane's full message. After that, confirm accepting the offer. Moving on, a success message appears with next steps. Finally, the chat updates with confirmation and your follow-up message. Now let's look at declining a help offer. First, view your pending help offers. Next, review details and chat history. Then, confirm declining the offer. Finally, see the decline confirmation. Now let's look at offering 111 help. A user sends a message for help. Next, they initiate a 111 help offer. Then, select the help category. After that, send the offer. Finally, the help offer is confirmed and added to the chat. Next, let's see how leaving a review works. On the 111 help offers page, click Leave Jane a review. Next, rate your experience with a 5-star scale. Then, pick the personalized approach tag. After that, type additional feedback. Moving on, click Submit. Finally, see the success notification on Jane Doe's profile. Next, let's see how canceling an application works. On the Applications page, click the More Options icon. Next, choose Cancel from the menu. Then, confirm cancellation in the modal. Finally, see the empty list with a cancellation notification. In the next section, we'll explore how dispute resolution works. On the website, click Dispute Resolution. Next, click How it works. Then, learn how the community jurors resolve disputes. After that, explore the 4 phases of dispute resolution. Moving forward, let's see how collection is done. Access your dashboard. Click the My Work link. Next, view Saved Career Help. Then, select the Jobs tab for saved postings. Moving forward, let's see how career help is done. Explore career help questions. Next, watch a tutorial to learn posting. Now let's look at reacting to a post. React to a post by clicking the share icon. Next, additional options appear. Then, hover over the question mark for more info. Finally, the Tell Me More reaction is added. Up next, sharing a post. Share a discussion post on Braintrust by clicking the share icon. Next, choose a sharing option or copy the link. Then, see the link copied confirmation. Next, let's see how replying to a comment works. View a comment in the Career Help section. Enter your reply in the text input. Then, click to post. Your reply is now visible. Finally, open the emoji picker. Open. Here's how voting on a poll works. Select the best portfolio option. Next, click Show Results to see votes. Then, view detailed results and join the discussion. Moving on to giving feedback. On the Career Help page, click the Post button. Next, select the heart eyes emoji rating on the feedback modal. Then, click the text input field to add a comment. After that, click the Submit button. Moving on, click the green checkmark button. Then, click the 3 dots menu icon on the post. Next, click the Submit button again. Finally, see the Thanks for your feedback toast message. Next up, let's take a closer look at Braintrust AR. We're on the website. Next, watch the video and click Get Started. In the next section, we'll explore how resources works. We're on the Talent Resource Center. Click the podcast link. Next, click the Listen button for episode 18. Then, scroll down to pagination and click page 2. Finally, explore more episodes or use the footer links. Now let's explore the next topic, press. We're on the website. Next, scroll through the news articles. Then, continue scrolling for more. After that, scroll to the bottom. Finally, enter your name and email to download the report. Moving forward, let's see how pricing is done. We're on the website. Click Book Demo. Next, fill in your details. Click Book Meeting. After that, your booking is confirmed. Coming up next, we'll dive into landing page. We're on the website. Pick some options. Next, click the Download button. Then click the Read Now button. After that, schedule a talent match call. Moving forward, let's see how My Posts is done. Click My Posts to view your posts. Then, create a new post. Finally, see your post and track responses. Moving forward, let's see how logging out is done. Click Log Out to exit your dashboard. Next, the sign-in page appears. Up next, let's discover how onboarding employer works. Enter your organization name. Next, pick an industry, then type in your location. After that, select from the suggestions. Moving on, enter your company website. With all fields completed, click Next. Finally, schedule a consultation with the Braintrust team. To home. And that's a full walkthrough of Braintrust, covering onboarding, core features, and settings. Thanks for joining us. Subscribe for more product demos like this. Have a great day.